There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure.
Hi, 2 days to Psle. Let's read today's question. It takes 5 minutes to cut a ribbon into 15 equal pieces. How long will it take to cut the same ribbon into 8 equal pieces? So this is a question from Henry Park's paper. Let me draw the ribbon. So this is the ribbon. Okay, and we want to cut it into 15 equal pieces. So let's make the cuts. This is 15 equal pieces. Now, how many cuts are required to get 15 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We need 14 cuts to make it into 15 pieces. And that takes us 5 minutes. So 14 cuts takes 5 minutes. Now they're asking about 8 pieces, okay? So we want to cut the same ribbon into 8 pieces. So now instead of 15, I want 8. How many cuts does it take to get 8 pieces? 7 cuts. So since 14 cuts takes 5 minutes, 7 cuts would just be half of that, isn't it? We divide by 2. And for 5 minutes, we divide by 2 as well. That's 2.5 minutes. So that's the answer, 2.5 minutes to make 7 cuts to get 8 equal pieces. That's the end of this question. See you guys tomorrow.